Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial on how to set up the Catalyst MCP server and agent skills on Cursor. First, let us set up the Catalyst MCP server. The Catalyst MCP server can be set up via Zoho MCP, which connects Catalyst as well as other apps to AI assistants and IDEs. This brings the power of AI to your Catalyst apps, letting you build, manage, and deploy your full stack services through simple conversation. This is the Zoho MCP homepage, which you can access by heading to zoho.com/mcp. This is where you will configure and set up the Catalyst MCP server. Click on the sign up button and then go ahead and complete the sign up process. Once you're done with the sign up, you'll be taken to this page in Zoho MCP, where you will be able to create and manage your MCP servers. Click on Create MCP Server. Enter the server name. I'm going to go with Catalyst MCP. After creating the MCP server, you'll be redirected to this MCP console. In the Tools section, proceed to add the tools. Click on Add Tools, search for Catalyst. Click on this and add the necessary tools you require. I'm going to go with API Gateway, App Sale, Data Store, Authentication, Functions, and Job Scheduling. I'm going to click Add Now. After this, I'm going to head over to the connection section. There are two types of authorizations: authorization on demand and authorization via connection. Authorization on demand meaning your users will need to authorize and use the tools of all Zoho services through OAuth handled by the MCP client. Authorization via connection meaning that all the services are pre-authorized in one console. I'm going to click Edit and select Authorization via connection. Click Update. So now the connection has been put. I just have to authorize it. Click on Allow Permissions. Click Accept. And your MCP server has been connected. Now we'll head over to the Connect section. In the Connect section, we have our server URL. Using this URL, you can connect this MCP server to any MCP client. I'm going to head over to this Cursor section. In using this button, you can automatically configure your MCP server in your Cursor app. For the purpose of this video, I'm just going to use the JSON configuration from here. I'm going to copy this command, head over to my Cursor app, click on Cursor Settings, Tools and MCPs, add Custom MCP, and replace this with a JSON configuration. Click on Command S to save the file, go to your Cursor settings, and there you have it. Our Catalyst MCP has been connected over here. Here, I'm going to show you how to add your Catalyst agent skills to Cursor. Go to the link in description below. Scroll down to this repo. Copy this one-line command. Head over to your Cursor. Open your terminal. And Command V to paste the command. Click Enter. It will clone your repository and you'll be given options to select the number of skills you want to add. So I'm going to go with everything. And I'm going to click Enter. Enter again, Enter, and yes, Enter. Done. There we have it. Our Catalyst skills have been installed on Cursor. Thanks for watching. Drop a like and subscribe for more Catalyst content.